Very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos. Everyone on your video and sit properly. Vishnuvardhan, Karthik, Edra Vivek, Alekia, S. Vishnuvardhan, on your video, boy. Okay, in last class we discussed about fractions addition, unlike fraction sign, mixed fraction addition. And word problems also we solved yesterday. Next, in today's class, I am going to explain fractions subtraction. How to solve? Unlike fractions and mixed fractions, subtractions. How to do subtractions in fractions. Okay. In your textbook, page number 90, exercise 5.12. 5.12. See, first problem. What is first problem, children? First of all, do the following subtractions. Do the following subtractions. Okay. First one is 11 by 15 minus 3 by 5. 11 by 15 minus 3 by 5. Asjad, don't disturb boy. Ahmad. Eleven by 15 minus 3 by 5. First of all, 11 by 15 and 3 by 5. These fractions are called, in denominator different number is there. Different numbers are there. So these fractions are called like fractions or unlike fractions. Joyamalika, like fractions or unlike fractions? Yes, very good. Unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions. Because of here denominators are different numbers are there. So these fractions are unlike fractions. 11 by 15 minus 3 by 5. 11 by 15 comma 3 by 5 are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. So we have to change into like fractions. So change into like fractions. What we do? We have to take LCM of denominators. 15 and 5. What is the LCM of 15 and 5? LCM of 15 and 5 is 5 comma 15 LCM children. Say without doing also we can say LCM. Say anybody? What is the LCM? 15 and 5. Vishnu, Vignesh, Alekia, Manisha. Yes, very good. 15. Rajput Manisha. Very good, Alekia. Okay. What is the LCM? 15. Not 5 there, 15. Okay. 15 is LCM. Now, for 15. This 15 we have to change in denominator. Okay. 11 by 15 is okay. As is. No need to change the fraction. We have to change only 3 by 5 fraction. Okay, 3 by 5 fraction. 11 by 15 minus 3 by 5. How can we change this fraction into like fractions? Multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator. Here multiply by 3 and here also multiply by 3. Then this fraction will change into like fractions. 11 by 15 minus 3 3s are 9. 9 by 15. 9 by 15. Okay. Subtract numerators. Okay. Here these fractions are called like fractions. How can we do subtraction in like fractions? Just subtract the numerators. 15 denominator 15 as it is write down and numerator subtract. 11 minus 9. What is the answer? 11 minus 9. What is the difference of 11 and 9? Say children. 11 minus 9. Yes, very good. 2. 2 by 15. Okay. What is the answer? 2 by 15. 11 by 15 minus 3 by 5 equal 2 by 15. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Same in addition how like we did, same as is we have to do, but their addition here subtraction. That is only different. Next remaining steps as it is. First unlike fractions change into like fractions. Take LCM of denominators. Afterwards change into like fractions. Afterwards we have to do subtraction. Then we will get answer. Okay. Next we will see one more problem. Next is 17 by 20. 17 by 20 minus 4 by 5. 4 by 5. By 20 minus 4 by 5. First 17 by 20 comma 4 by 5 are unlike fractions. Yes, unlike fractions. These fractions are unlike fractions. Now change into like fractions. Change into like fractions. LCM of 20 comma 5. What is the LCM of 20 comma 5? 20 and 5. 20. 5 4s are 20. And 21s are 20. So LCM is 20. Now change into like fractions. 4 by 5 fraction we have to change into denominator like 20. 17 by 20 minus 4 by 5. 17 by 20 minus 4 into 4 by 5 into 4. Okay? 4 into 4 by 5 into 4. Then we can change into like fraction. Yes, same denominator like 20. 17 by 20 minus 16 by 20. Subtract numerators, subtract the numerators. And denominator number as it is write down. No need subtraction, subtract the denominators. 20. 17 minus 16. What is the difference? 17 minus 16. What is the answer? 17 minus 16. 17 minus 16. Karthik. Yes, very good. 1. 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is answer. Okay, 1 by 20 is answer. First, given fractions, which fractions we have to find out first of all. Unlike fractions, right? First, given fractions are unlike fractions. So change into like fractions. What we do? LCM. Take LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of 20 and 5? 20 factor is 20. And 5 fours are 20, 21s are 20. Yes, 20 is multiple of 20. And 5 multiple also 20. Common multiple 20. Least common multiple is 20. Okay. Next, 17 by 20 minus 4 by 5. Here denominator 20 only have. So no need to change this fraction. Manichandana, are you listening girl? 17 by 20. Same as this fraction. No need to change this fraction. Because of in denominator 20 only have. That's why no need to change. But this fraction in denominator, in fraction, here denominator which number have? 5 is there. But we want here 20. So we have to change this number. How can we change this number? Multiply by 4. In 5 table where will come 20? 5 fours are 20. Yes? Am I right or not? Yes. 5 fours are 20. So multiply by 4. I did that one only. 4 fours are and 5 fours are. Okay? 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are 20. Now these fractions are like fractions. Because here denominators are same number have 20, 20. So these fractions are like fractions. Then in like fractions, addition, subtraction, we can do very easily. As is denominator right and numerators subtract. Numerators are 17 minus 16. What is the difference of 17 and 16? 1. Write 1. Denominator 20 is there. Write 20. Okay? Did you understand, children? Manideep? Did you understand one? If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. I will clarify here only your doubt. If you have any doubt, anybody? Okay, understand. Next, anybody? Vandana, Varshita, Manichandana, Manikanta, Erra Vivek, S. Vishnuvardhan, Ailapuram Pavan, Karthik, no doubts, Alekya, Ayan, Manideep, Hansini. Understand. Okay. Manideep, Hansini. Okay. Joy Malika, do you have doubt girl? If you have any doubt, raise your hand. I will ask you to your doubt. I will clarify your doubt also. Okay, no doubt. Write down. These two problems write in your notebook. Write in your running notes. CW. Next fractions subtraction. Okay. Now I will explain mixed fractions subtraction. Tenth problem. Same exercise 5.12 only, first bit only. 10th problem. 3 whole 3 by 7. 3 whole 3 by 7 minus 2 whole 5 by 14. 2 whole 5 by 14. 3 whole 3 by 7 minus 2 whole 5 by 14. Here in these fractions are contained whole number and proper fraction. Whole number and proper fraction. Thus, these fractions are called mixed fractions. Okay, these fractions are called mixed fractions. First, these mixed fractions we have to change into improper fractions. Okay, first we change into improper fractions. Those improper fractions are unlike fractions also. Then we have to change into like fractions. How can we change like fractions? LCM. Take LCM of same with denominators. LCM of denominators afterwards as it is steps. Okay, same before method only. First, mixed fractions. How can we change into like fractions? You know already. Once again, I will explain. Listen only. 3 whole 3 by 7 minus 2 whole 5 by 14. First, given problem as it is write down. First step is given problem as it is write down. Next, these fractions are mixed fractions. 3 whole 3 by 7 comma 2 whole 5 by 14 are mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Change into improper fractions. Change into improper fractions. Change into improper fractions. Okay. How can we change into improper fractions? Whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Okay. First, 3 whole 3 by 7. This mixed fraction, now I am changing into improper fraction. Whole number into denominator. Here 3 is whole number, 7 is denominator. Next here 3 is numerator. Okay. Here 3 into 7. 3 into 7 plus 3. Whole number into denominator plus numerator by 7. 3 sevens are. 3 sevens are. Do you know 3 table? 3 sevens are. 21. Okay. 21 plus 3. 21 plus 3. 24. Very good. 24 by 7 is improper fraction. 24 by 7 is improper fraction equals 3 whole 3 by 7 mixed fraction. Okay. Next fraction also we change into improper fraction. Now I am changing. Listen all of you. 2 whole 5 by 14. Okay. 2 whole 5 by 14. 2 into 14. 2 into 14 plus 5 by 14 denominator. 2 into 14. 2 14s are 28. 14 2s are 28. Not 24. 28. 28 plus 5 by 14. 28 plus 5. Add and check. 28 plus 5. What is the answer? Very good. 33. Not 23. 33. 33 by 14. Okay. Now this mixed fraction we change here improper fractions. Write these fractions. 24 by 7 minus 33 by 14. Okay. 24 by 7 minus 33 by 14. Okay. Now these fractions are called unlike fractions and improper fraction. First, these are improper fractions and denominators are different are they. Denominators are different numbers are they. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. So we can change into like fractions. What we do? Take LCM of denominators. 24 by 7, 33 by 14 are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. LCM of, okay, let's change into like fractions. Change into like fractions. Change into like fractions. What we do? Take LCM of denominators. 7, 14. LCM is, what is the LCM of? Yes, very good, Rajput Manisha. 14. Okay, 14 ones are 14. 14 is multiple of 14. Next, 7 twos are 14. 14 is multiple of 7. So what is the common multiple? 14. And least common multiple also 14. So LCM is 14. Manichandana, stop eating, amma. Keep it side first you. Okay. LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. Now here 33 by 14 in denominator 14 only have. So no need to change this fraction. But we have to change only this fraction 24 by 7 only. Change this fraction 24 by 7 minus 33 by 14. How can we change, children, here? Yes, 7 is there. But you want 14. What we do? Yes, 7 change into 14. How can we change it? Multiply by some number. With which number? Okay, multiplication only. But with which number we have to multiply? Yes, 7 is there. Yes, very good. 7 twos are 14. Multiply by 2. 24 into 2 by 7 into 2. Minus this fraction as it is write down, children. Because of here denominator 14 only have. So no need to change this fraction. 33 by 14. 24 twos are 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. 48. 48 by 14 minus 33 by 14. Now these fractions are like fractions. These fractions are like fractions. Here denominators are same numbers are there. So these fractions are like fractions. Here like fractions are there. So we can do subtraction or addition. We can do very easily. How can we do? Just numerators subtract. Subtract the numerators. Only numerators subtract. 48 minus 33 by 14. Yes, very good. Alekia, 15. What is the difference? 15. 15 by 14. See, children, here 15 by 14 is which fraction? 15 by 14. Say 15 is numerator, 14 is denominator, 15 is biggest number and 14 is smallest number is there. So this fraction is called, yes, improper fraction. Improper fraction. When here given improper fraction, we can change mixed fraction also. Mixed fraction. How can we change into mixed fraction? Just we have to do division. With division we can change into mixed fraction. 14 ones are 14. 1 whole. 14 ones are 14. 1 whole. 1 by 14. 1 whole 1 by 14. So 15 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Now we can write 1 whole 1 by 14. Okay. 1 whole 1 by 14. Did you understand, children? Unlike fractions and mixed fractions, how to solve subtraction? Did you understand? If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Anybody? Okay, in first bit, exercise 5.12, first bit 15 problems are there, children. 15 problems are there. I explained only 3 problems. Remaining all same as it is problems. Okay? You only try to your own. Then if you have any doubt, you ask me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay? Okay, write down, children. M. Vignesh raised hand. Okay. In your mobile, keep it unmute, boy. Vignesh, what is your doubt? Vignesh. Vignesh. Do you have doubt, boy, first? No answer. Not saying any answer. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Okay. I think you don't have any doubt because he did not ask. Okay, children. I hope you understand how to do subtraction of fractions and mixed fractions. In tomorrow class, I will explain some more problems. Subtraction of fractions only. Okay, mixed fractions and unlike fractions. Here from second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, some problems are there. I will explain those problems in tomorrow class. Okay, thank you, children.